morning and namaste. It's me, Arjun Pokhrel, science teacher of Sagarmatha Secondary School. Dear students, welcome to you all in my online class. How are you? I hope you all are fine, you all are healthy, and you all are staying at your home. And I am also fine. And I am here to conduct the another online class of class 8 science. And I am going to continue the same chapter that is pressure. Okay, dear students, without further delay, let's begin today's class. Dear students, we are discussing about the application of atmospheric pressure, and we have already discussed about some of the application of atmospheric pressure. That is, you know, mechanism of water pump, working mechanism of the water pump. That is another straw, okay, and that helps to withdraw a liquid inside our mouth, okay, and withdraw cold drinks inside our mouth, in the mouth. And we also have discussed about the syringe and its working mechanism, okay, that we have already discussed about this. And now I am here and I'm going to discuss on the same topic, that is application of the atmospheric pressure. And this is another application of the atmospheric pressure, that is atmospheric pressure is also used to feel inside the ink pen, okay. Atmospheric pressure is also used to feel ink inside the ink pen, not in the ball pen, inside the ink pen. Okay, here you can see ink pen, okay, and this is ink pot, okay, this is ink pot, and this is ink pen. And by using atmospheric pressure we can easily enter ink inside the ink pen, okay. For this, ink pen has a rubber hole in it, okay. Here you can see rubber hole in this part of the ink pen, okay. I think you also use ink pen to write in your copy. This part consists of rubber, okay, and it consists of hole inside it, that's why rubber hole. And when the rubber hole is pressed with the help of finger, okay, when the rubber hole is pressed with the help of finger by pushing the clip, okay, there is also another one small clip in the just above the rubber hole, okay. And the air inside the tube comes out and pressure becomes less, okay. When we press just above the clip uh, in the rubber hole, okay, then after the air present inside the rubber hole comes out and pressure becomes less inside the rubber hole, okay, inside it. And on releasing the clip, CLIP clip, okay, not OP, on releasing the clip, okay, and clip goes to their original position. At that time, the greater atmospheric pressure on the surface of the ink, okay, atmospheric pressure occurs, okay, towards the so on releasing the clip, CLIP clip, the greater atmospheric pressure on the surface of the ink in the ink pot pushes the ink up into the tube of the pen, okay. यसमा तपाईहरुले हेर्नुभयो भने यो एटमोस्फेरिक प्रेसर के हुन्छ भन्दा यो डाउनवर्ड यतातिर लाग्यो, ओके। भन्न खोजेको एटमोस्फेरिक प्रेसर डाउनवर्डै लाग्छ भन्ने होइन, तर एटमोस्फेरिक प्रेसर जताततै लाग्छ। त्यो मध्ये इङ्कमा एटमोस्फेरिक प्रेसर लाग्यो र यो जुन यो ट्युब छ, यो पोर्सन, यो ट्युबमा यो पोर्सनमा के भयो भन्दा देयर इज क्रिएसन अफ द भ्याकुम, ओके। द्याट्स वाइ ड्यू टु एटमोस्फेरिक प्रेसर दिस ink goes towards the okay ink pen, okay. Due to atmospheric pressure this ink moves towards the ink pen on releasing the clip, okay. जब यहाँको क्लिपलाई हामीले छोडिदिसकेपछि के हुन्छ भन्दा एटमोस्फेरिक प्रेसरको कारणले गर्दा इङ्क चाहिँ पेनतिर जान्छ, okay. In this way we can easily okay insert ink inside the ink pen, okay. In this way we can easily insert ink inside the ink pen, and this is due to what? Atmospheric pressure. This is due to atmospheric pressure. Dear students, now I am going to discuss about some of the similarities and difference between the liquid pressure and atmospheric pressure. Okay, similarities and differences between liquid pressure and atmospheric pressure. First of all, similarities. Air pressure applies in all direction like the liquid pressure. Okay, liquid transmit pressure equally in all direction. Okay, likewise, air pressure applies in all direction, not in the particular direction. Air pressure applies in all direction. Okay, liquid pressure also applies in all direction. Okay, when the pressure is applied on the liquid containing in a closed container, then after liquid transmit pressure equally in all direction. Likewise, air also transmit pressure equally in all direction. Okay, same similarities. Air pressure becomes less with increasing altitude. Okay, similarities. Similarly, liquid pressure also decreases with decreasing depth. Okay, air pressure becomes less with increasing altitude. The air pressure is less in the top of the Mount Everest than in the floor of the Mount Everest. Okay, एयर प्रेसर हामीले माउन्ट एभरेस्टको टपमा र फ्लोरमा मेजर गर्यो भने टपमा के हुन्छ, कम हुन्छ. Okay, likewise, liquid pressure also decreases with decreasing depth or the height of the liquid column. Okay, as the height of the liquid column decreases, then after liquid pressure also decreases, and as the height of the liquid column increases, then after liquid pressure increases. Okay, जस्तै घरको 3 तला माथि घरमा ट्याङ्कीमा पानी राख्नु भएको छ भने सबैभन्दा तलपट्टिको फ्लोरमा धेरै प्रेसले पानी आउँछ, त्योभन्दा अलिकति माथिको फ्लोरमा अलिक कम प्रेसले, अझ माथिको फ्लोरमा गयो भने अझै कम प्रेसले, सबैभन्दा माथिको फ्लोरमा हामी गयौँ भने एकदमै कम प्रेसले मात्रै पानी आउँछ. यसबाट पनि हामी के प्रुभ गर्न सक्छौँ, लिक्विड प्रेसर डिक्रिजेस विथ डिक्रिजिङ डेप्थ. Okay, as the height of the liquid column increases, then after liquid pressure also increases, and as the height of the liquid column decreases, then after liquid pressure also decreases. Now here you can see the differences between liquid pressure and atmospheric pressure. First of all, liquid pressure cannot compress the liquid in lower layers. Atmospheric pressure compresses the air in the lower layer. Okay, लिक्विडले माथि र तल छ भने तलको लिक्विडलाई एकदम कम्प्रेस गर्ने भन्ने हुँदैन, तर एयरको लेयर माथिल्लो लेयर भन्दा तलको लेयरमा एयर के हुन्छ, कम्प्रेस्ड हुन्छ. कम्प्रेस्ड भइसकेपछि के हुन्छ, यसको डेन्सिटी बढ्छ. Okay, liquid pressure cannot compress the liquid in lower layers of the liquid column. Okay, but atmospheric pressure compresses the air in a lower layer, and the liquid is denser than air and applies more pressure. Okay, and gas is very less dense than liquid and applies less pressure. In comparison to the density of the liquid and the air, the density of the liquid is more than the density of the air. That's why due to more density of the liquid, it applies more pressure, and due to less density of the air, it applies less pressure. These two are the differences between liquid pressure and atmospheric pressure, and these two are the similarities between liquid pressure and atmospheric pressure. Dear students, now I am going to discuss another term, that is density. Okay, that is DENSITY, density. Have you seen cotton and wood and iron? I think you have seen all of these substances, cotton, wood, as well as iron. The cotton is lighter. Cotton means, kapas. तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ कपास. Okay, cotton is lighter than wood. कपास काठ भन्दा के हुन्छ, अलिकति हल्का हुन्छ. The cotton is lighter than wood, and iron is heavier than wood. Okay, if you compare these three substances, cotton, wood, and iron, then after we found cotton is lighter than wood, and iron is heavier than wood. Okay, wood is heavier than cotton and lighter than iron. Okay, wood is what? Heavier than cotton and lighter than iron. Okay, it means that if they are taken in the same volume, they will contain different amount of mass. Okay, it means if they are taken in the same volume, okay, for example 1 meter cube volume, okay, then after they will contain different amount of mass. Okay, cotton has minimum mass and iron has maximum mass in the same volume. If the volume is constant, no change in the volume, यिनीहरू सबैको भोल्युम बराबर छ, जस्तै 1 मिटर क्यूब भोल्युम छ भने कसको मास धेरै हुन्छ त भन्दा आइरनको मास धेरै हुन्छ. Okay, cotton has minimum mass and iron has maximum mass. Okay, in the same volume of them, it shows that density of the cotton is less and that of wood is more. Okay, it shows that density of cotton is less than that of wood and the density of iron is more than that of wood. Okay, cotton को density wood को भन्दा कम छ, iron को density wood को भन्दा के छ धेरै छ. ठीक छ, जस्तै एउटा ट्याङ्की छ, ठीक छ, सानो ट्याङ्की छ, त्यो ट्याङ्कीमा हामीले कपास राख्यौं र त्यसको मास मेजर गर्यौं, त्यही ट्याङ्कीमा फेरि काठको टुक्राहरू राख्यौं, फेरि त्यसको मास मेजर गर्यौं र त्यही ट्याङ्की सेम, ओके, त्यही ट्याङ्कमा हामीले फेरि आइरन फलाम राख्यौं र त्यसको मास मेजर गर्यो भने कसको मास धेरै आउँछ? डेफिनेटली आइरनको, बिकज द डेन्सिटी अफ आइरन इज मोर देन द density of wood and more than the density of cotton. Okay, and cotton has the least density and iron has the maximum density. Okay, so the amount of mass of a body contained in unit volume is called density. Okay, density is equal to what? M by V. Okay, so the amount of mass of a body contained in unit volume is called density of that body. SI unit of density is what? Kilogram per meter cube. Kg is the SI unit of mass and meter cube is the SI unit of what? Volume. Okay, we know that the density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, mass per unit volume. That's why SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. CGS unit what? Gram per cm cube. CGS unit of mass gram, CGS unit of volume cm cube. So the CGS unit of density is gram per cm cube. Okay, so the mass per unit volume of the substance is called density. Okay, so the mass per unit volume of the substance is known as density. Okay, dear students, here how tightly packed matter is. The amount of mass in a given space is known as density. Okay, more density means the molecules present in the matter are tightly packed. Okay, and less density means molecules present in the matter are loosely packed. Okay, dear students, here you can see gas, liquid and solid. Okay, dear students, here you can see molecules present in the gas, molecules present in the liquid and molecules present in the solid. In case of gas, molecules are loosely packed. In case of liquid, okay, molecules are slightly tightly packed. Okay, and in case of solid, molecules are highly tightly packed. Okay, and tightly packed means more density, loosely packed means less density. Okay, less dense, more dense. Okay, less dense, more dense. Gas, liquid, solid. Okay, how tightly packed matter is? Solid substance is tightly packed, liquid substance is less tightly packed, and in case of gas, molecules are loosely packed. Okay, in this way we can compare whether the substance is heavier or lighter. जुनको डेन्सिटी धेरै छ त्यो सब्स्टेन्स के हुन्छ उचाल्न पनि गरुङ्गो हुन्छ, हेभियर हुन्छ। जसको डेन्सिटी कम छ त्यसमा मोलिकुल्सहरू लुजली प्याक्ड भएको हुन्छ र त्यो सब्स्टेन्सहरू हामीले उचाल्न पनि के हुन्छ अलिकति हल्का हुन्छ। ओके, so dear students, only this much for today. I will come with next video tomorrow. Thank you for watching.